You only need to look at this painting for 5 seconds, because it's looking at you too. So, who is this girl? Is she a real person or just a figment of imagination? Here is one of the most mysterious faces in art history. This work was created in 1665 by the Dutch painter Johannes Vermeer. The painting is often referred to as the Mona Lisa of the North because, like the Mona Lisa, the expression on her face is unclear. Is she smiling or is she sad? This ambiguity is what makes it special. If you noticed, the background is completely dark. This draws all the attention to the girl's face. The light comes from the right and illuminates her face. But the most striking thing is that pearl earring. What's interesting is this pearl, which looks so bright, was actually made with just a few brush strokes. So it's not the detail, but the play of light that's impressive. So who is this girl? A maid? Vermeer's daughter? Or is she entirely imaginary? Actually, this isn't a portrait. In art history, this is called a Tronie. That is, it depicts not a person's identity, but their facial expression and character. Therefore, we will never know who she is. The painting is currently on display at the Mauritshuis Museum in the Netherlands, and every year, thousands of people go there just to see this gaze. Furthermore, a novel has been written and a film made about this painting. Its mystery has persisted for centuries. Perhaps what makes this painting special isn't the pearls or the technical skill. Perhaps what draws us in is the fact that a fleeting glance remains alive after 350 years. What do you think it's trying to tell us? Don't forget to write your comments.